Hello guys, welcome back to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. I hope you all are doing well. Now, if you are new to the channel, let me introduce myself. My name is Shrishta Datta. I'm the senior drawing faculty of SSAC and nice to meet you. I help students to prepare for JEE, BR, KNATA and design entrance exams like NID, NIFT and UCEED. In today's video, we will solve one official UCEED 2026 product design question. Before we begin the video, there are certain things which a design student should know before product designing. In this product design question, the examiner will not only see that how much attractive you have made the design, but will also see how exactly you have identified the problem about the functionality, your creativity, and how exactly you have presented the whole idea of yours. Like not only the attractiveness, but also the innovative functionality and how exactly feasible it is. Each and everything will be observed in this product design section. Before attempting any product design question, there are certain things a student should know. Okay, there are certain points which you have to keep in mind whenever you are designing any product. Now, all the important points and concept have been already covered in a separate video, which is already available in our channel. I will give that video in the I button, so you can just click in the I button and you will get that video. So at first, see that all the things which is very much important, like the concept, which should be very much clear, and then you can easily design any product. Now we will see in this video how exactly or what are the things we have to do whenever we are designing any product, and we will see that in the video. And without wasting any more time, let's just start the video. The product design question will also have 50 marks. It is a mandatory question and it will come under design aptitude. So the question is, students often travel in long distance trains and stays at dormitories while going for interview or exam from one city to another. During their travel and stay, students often struggle to keep their personal toiletries organized and accessible in the toilets. Item may get misplaced, mixed up, or remain wet after use. Design a compact and portable toiletry organizer that helps students carry, store, and dry their items hygienically. It should be secure, easy to maintain, and identifiable as a personal belonging. Sketch your design showing how it looks in open condition for use and how it looks when packed and ready for carrying. So the evaluation criteria is sustainability to meet basic functional requirement of the end of user, attention to detail and explanation of features, like you have to add short notes there, very short notes. Okay, and uniqueness of design solution, appropriateness of the three-dimensional form and visual graphics, and atlas of quality of the presentation. Note again, make pencil sketch only, you can't use color. Whenever we are designing a product, a very easy or a basic and a very important thing which should keep in our mind, that is, we will try to show the product from different angle. Okay, like from 3D way, how exactly it will look like. You can use perspective there, or from top view, from side view, and also how a person will use that. And also you can, and in this case I'm just showing in a opened way. Okay, now the very important thing and the first thing which we will do whenever we will make a product is we will try to see the thing on the basis of the viewer's point of view. Okay, like the person who is feeling the issue, like why exactly we are designing the product, what is the main reason or the cause, we will try to point out it. You don't have to cover all the points out there, but try to cover the main points. For an example, for this specific product is mentioned in the question that you have to make it compatible, easy to use. Okay, and also student will use that, so that will be affordable as well. Okay, and also it should be hygienic. Okay, like if anyone is using, suppose, any type of toiletries and all, it will be wet. So how exactly you can make it properly? It will be hygienic as well and it will be easy to use as well. So in this specific image, what I have done is I have made a toiletry bag or a box which we can hang as well. Okay, by using velcro or tic-tac button and zip, I have just made a very easy solution out of it. Okay, what I have done is you can just use a tic tac button or a zip. You can utilize that, and you can just convert this whole thing into a box whenever you want. And also, suppose if you're using it in washroom or in toilet areas, so you can just hang it out also anywhere. Okay, so that will be hygienic as well, and it will be easy to use as well. So, and also try to add an image of how exactly you will utilize that specific product which you are designing, so it will be very much easy for the person who will observe the sketch of yours. Because often what happens, often we think a lot of thing in our head, but when it comes to the sketch part, we messed up a lot. Okay, so it should be very much clear. Okay, the vision which you are thinking on your head, that should be very much clear in the presentation of the sketch also which you are doing. And also for the rendering part, we can do one thing: render a main object. You don't have to render each and everything. You can render it lightly, but focus on the main object which you were making properly. Okay, and for this specific question, the solutions which I have done is, first of all, spill proof. Okay, if someone is using and the toiletries and it is wet, you have to make it spill proof, and also you have to make it in such a way so that it should not wet the other items as well which is there in the bag. Okay, so I have made separate compartment, that also of plastic, for that liquid object or for that wet object. Okay, so and also it is separated so it will not mixed with each other, and it is made of plastic, so it will be visible as well. So it is a very important thing, so it will be visible as well for the person who is using it. And then what I have done is, in the main body I have just attached one mesh pouch, so there you can use the non-liquid objects. For an example, girls can use or just keep there the sanitary napkins. Okay, or boys can just keep anything which is not spilling, suppose, which will be spill proof type of products. They can easily just add there in the mesh pouch. Now when you will hang it, there will be certain area which will be open as well, like the side of, like the two sides and the lower part of the box as well. So there are also small pouch I have attached to. You can carry some knickknacks, or you can just carry some small things like brush. You can carry a tongue cleaner, band-aid. Okay, girls can carry rubber band, safety pins, a lot of small things, so that it will be very much easy to carry as well. It will look very good as well. Okay, now for the rendering, render the main object very well. And also I have done one very important thing: whenever you are making a product, it should be very neat and clean. The presentation have a lot of marks. Okay, I have stitched the whole area so that it should look like, yeah, the product which you have designed, you have think certain thing, then only you're designing it. Okay, it should be very much clear, the thing or the vision which you are thinking exactly. Next, you can just add one nameplate as well over the product, so it will be more personalized. And also if you will lost it, you will get it as well. Like if you want, you can add some number or address or something like that. Okay, and also another very important thing, that is, whenever we will do the shading, focus on the light and shadow part a little bit as well, so it will look very good. And also try to do the 3D object from perspective again, I am saying, because it is very much important. And or else you can use the isometric way as well. It is totally up to you what you will use. Okay, now before continuing with the sketch, I did like to mention one very important thing, that is, in design entrance exams like UCEED, NID, NIFT, good drawing alone isn't enough. Okay, you do have to practice a lot, but good drawing isn't only thing which you have to do. What really makes your solution stand out in your design thinking, like the design thinking of yours, how you understand the user's need or identify the problem and develop the practical solution. It should not be like that ki, yeah, you are making some high-tech thing or something like that, utilizing AI. No, don't think like that. Make it affordable. See ki who exactly will use it. That's exactly what we focus on at Sketch School of Art and Creativity. Along with improving your sketching skills, we train you to think like a designer, so that every idea you present has logic, functionality and creativity behind it. Okay, it is a very important thing. Any design will make, definitely a guidance is a very important thing. There should be a proper guidance to say that yeah, it will be useful, it will be not. So now let's continue with the sketch and see how this idea came together in the final design. You can just make little bit of darker the part which will be having a little bit of shadow, so it will pop up. Okay, so rather than making each and every area darker, you can just add a little bit of darker in the corner of the object so that it will look good, like the way I have done. It is the front part, so the closed part. What will happen here, the velcro which I have utilized, definitely we will close that, and the hanging circle will be also there. Try to make it in such a way ki, yeah, there should be the logic. It should not like that ki, in one specific image you have just attached the hanging hook, and the next image it is not visible, though it should be visible in that specific area. So observe that specific part as well. Okay, each and everything. As I have just utilized here one tic tac button, what I have done is in one side I have just closed the tic tac button, other side I have not, because that will make that exact look. Yeah, I'm using a tic tac button, that will be visible for the viewer who will observe. Now another thing which is very much important is you can add short notes. Now that will be short, don't add a long sentence or something like that, because no one will read that out. Okay, add short notes so that it will be very much easy to see as well, and one can easily get as well what you have done, okay, or what you were thinking exactly whenever you were designing this specific product. You can just add small things like spill proof compartment, mesh pouch. Okay, in this we are opened box, closed, side view, top view, this type of thing you can add in the drawing of yours to make it look more presentable. Now it should be neat and clean as well, the presentation which you will make. So you have to focus a little bit on that as well. Okay, and other thing will be very good. Now practice this sketch whenever you will practice any type of product design. Practice in this way, and then you can share in the number which is given on the screen, and we will see that also. I hope you all have understood today's session and have learned how exactly you have to approach a product design question. Now it's your turn. Do this problem, and after that you can share it in our WhatsApp number if you want to get some feedback. We are very much happy and delighted to see what exactly you have done. We will let you know about the constructive correction if you are having any, and also we will guide you how exactly you can improve the drawing skill of yours and also score a very good marks in the drawing section. Remember, in product designing, your focus should not be only to make the problem or only to make the product look more attractive, but also you have to observe how exactly you can make some innovative ideas, some user-friendly ideas, and how exactly it will be feasible as well. Okay, the more you will solve the product design questions, the more your creativity skill will improve. And you will know what are the things you have to observe and where you have to pay a lot of attention rather than making it look attractive. Now, if you are preparing for any design entrance like NID, NIFT or UCEED, and you are looking for proper guidance, regular assignments, structured practice, and proper faculty members, then you are always welcome to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. Our goal is not only to help you get good marks in the examination, but also to develop your design thinking and creative approach, which is very much expected from a future designer. You can book a free demo class only by messaging or calling in the WhatsApp number which is given on the screen, or also you can just visit in our website. You can just go in the description box down below. There you will get the website link, and with some few click only, you can easily book one demo class for you. Now, thank you so much for seeing this video, and if it is helpful for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. It will help you a lot in your journey as well, and we will be giving you a lot informative videos as well, which will help you a lot. I will see you in the next video. Until, keep designing, keep practicing, and bye for today.